Hello, hello. In this lecture, we are talking about visual data exploration with Python. First, how to constructing bar graph with overlays. Understanding overlays. An overlay on a bar graph visually highlights the difference between two data sets. It's often used to compare performance, trend, or changes over time. Think of it as a visual representation of the before and after effect. Python implementation. In Python, you can use libraries like matplotlib or cbar to create bar graph with overlays. The key is to define your dataset, create the bars, and then use a technique like stack bar or side-by-side bar to visually represent the difference. Next is how to construct contingency table. Uh, Visualization relationships contingency table, also known as cross tabulations, are powerful tool for understanding the relationship between categorical variables. They display the frequency of percentage of data points that fall into different categories. Python implementation. In Python, the pandas library offer a simple method for constructing a contingency table using the cross-tab function. It takes two categorical variables as input and return a table as a table that summarize that joint distribution. How to constructing histogram with overlays. Understanding distribution. Histograms are used to visually represent the distribution of numerical data. Overlaying to histogram allows you to compare the distribution of different group of or samples, revealing patterns and difference. Python implementation using um, matplotlib or cbar in Python, you can create a histogram and overlays them using techniques like transparency or different color. This makes it easy to compare distribution and highlights the area of significant overlap or divergence. Next is how to performing binding based on predictive value. Understanding binding. Binding is a technique used to group continuous data into discrete intervals known as bins. Predictive binding involves creating bins based on model prediction, uh, enhancing insights and helping to understand the impact of variable. Python implementation. In Python, you can use library like uh, scikit-learn for predictive binding. The process involves training a model, predicting value, and then grouping the data into bins based on the predicted value. Thank you.